Sweeten the journey.
Hey, can't stay here.
Pinky. What you doing, Pinker? Pinky. What you doing? Come on. Come on. What you doing, baby? You don't know where you went. Here you are. Pinker. Whoa. Where's Sasha? You know, somebody got the toys out. They can't have the toys out. Oh, they're going in the kitchen for safety. Is this safety in here? Sasha, where are you going? Where are you going, Sash? Pinky. Pinker. Pink. Hey. Hey. Pinky. Back in the living room. Come on. Let's go back in the living room. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. They don't hurt you. They just get stuck under the couch. They sure need to work because you guys got kind of messy. I like the two of them working together. Pinky says, I'm getting away from them. They won't work if I'm standing there. Hey, Pinky. Hey. Hey, Mama. I like to look outside, Mom. It's a sunny day. Sunny day. It's a sunny day outside. You think it is? Look. Look. Uh-oh. Mama's in the way now. Mama's got to get out of the way because they won't work. We just pick everything up and put it on the couch and the chairs and the tables, and we just let them go. They'll go around it, but sometimes you got to have them clean it up. We pick up our feet. Where you going, Sash? Needs it back there, that's for sure. What you doing, Sash? And I move the chairs so they can get around better. Because if they get the same place each time, they leave a little bit of dust around the chairs. So this way, we just put it all around. And I put everything up on the counter. What a messy boku. And some stuff's up there. Don't be pulling any more toys out. She loves her toys. Come here. Watch her, she won't let me get her. She does. Come here, little Pinky. Everybody's hiding behind Daddy. Is Daddy your savior? Huh? Mama's trying to get us. She might be doing something. Come here. Come here, Pink. Come on. Come here, Pinko. Come on. Come on, Pinky. Come on. Come on, Pinky. Okay, don't. But Mama's sitting down. You guys get so bored, so when I run the vacuum, you're not bored anymore. Sasha, pretty girl. Pinker. Nobody likes her name, but I like it because she's pink. She's not orange, she's pink. Her name is Pinky Lou. And there used to be a famous guy named Pinky Lee, and he was silly. And she's silly. I don't know what's going on now. There she comes. Now, what do you think you're doing in my bedroom? Are you hiding under Mommy's bed? I don't think anybody's under there. You're just being silly. You're just being silly. Pinky. Pinky, you're being silly. Let Mama pet. You're not going to let me pet you. Hey. Well, what you doing? Mama can see you under there. You're not hiding very well. Look, there's a little kitty. There's Mama's kitty. Take the tree down day after tomorrow. There's Sasha hiding behind Daddy's chair. Well, Mary and Janie can both go back there. And the way I tell them is, oh, well, we got a friend. We got a friend. Hey, we got a friend. Hi. Look at, here's your friend. Here's your friend out there. I can't let him in. He was outside when you were a wild cat. He was looking for you to grow up a little bit. He had plans for you. I think he likes Sasha. Sasha does not like him. I like him. Is that your friend? Huh? Is that your friend? Hey, baby. Let's go look at the door. Let's go look. Where'd he go? Well, there he is. There he is. I think we need to give him a little something. I've got a little food for my friend. This is how I get all my friends. He's waiting at the door. Hi. Hi, little boy. You are a friend. Here we go. Here we go. I don't know how to get that out of there for you. Let me get it out of there for you, huh? I don't know how to get it out. I don't know, you're gonna have to just work on that yourself. Maybe we can get the stick. We can stick it out. Oops. Oh, let me get that stick. Let me get that out of there. You just work on it. That'll give you something to do. She doesn't like me outside. I just have a good time with my little kitty friends. We're just a happy family. See, you're 79, your life still goes on. You don't have to think it's all over. I have just as much fun, and probably more, than I did when I was younger. Now that's Mary. She's the new one, and she has the vacuum that vacuums itself back up. And this one's Janie. She's the older one, and I have to empty her when she gets full. But I think she actually has a little stronger suction, which I like, but she will suck up anything. If there's poo-poo or pee-pee or water or anything, she sucks that up. And the new one, which is Mary, she won't suck up that wet stuff. She'll go around it, so that's good. And she won't suck up cords and things. So they both have their advantages, and I keep them both because they both do a good job. I don't keep anything under my beds, so they go under the beds and clean really well. I don't have any wires or anything under there, but there's a couple boxes of some flooring under my husband's bed that we had to keep it in the house, so it wouldn't warp. So they have to go around that, but I use Janie, which is the old one, on the other side of the house in those bedrooms, because there's nothing going on really that I have to worry about. And then I use Mary on my side because mine doesn't get quite as dirty, and she does a good job, but she doesn't suck it up as hard. And that's just a lot about robots. You don't want to hear it. Okay. I'm thinking I'm wondering what that cat's doing, if he's getting that food out. He's going to work on it. He'll get it out. Mama gave him some food. She gave him food that you didn't like. Yeah. You like him, don't you? Mama, that's my friend. He's eating my food. He's eating my food. Hi. Hi. Yeah, he'll get it out. He'll get it out. Yeah. I know, that's your friend. I don't even know what his name is. He's a good boy. You like him? He was your friend when you were a wildcat. Yeah. But we can't let him in. He belongs to somebody. He belongs to Cassie down the street. We just give him a little bit of something to eat, and he's okay. Uh-oh, now I'm in the way again. They kind of keep us on our toes. Nobody's gotten in this room yet. I have to get this. Mary does this room. I need to change out my bedspreads. There's Janie in the kitchen. She does better in the kitchen. She does a good job. And again, they do go around the chairs, but if the chair's in the same place every time, they can't get everything. They don't get caught. They just turn around till they get off it. There's a little lip here. Whoops. That was a bang. They just go up into the different floor levels. They're just plastic. They don't do any damage. Ding, 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 ding. It's like having two maids that you don't have to tip. Let's go give that little boy a... He's still eating. I think he's putting his paw in there to get his food out. Maybe that was kind of mean giving him that food. I guess not, because he's eating it. Did you get it out, huh? Did you get it all out? You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. You can't have my girl, so. Oh, you can't get it out? Here. Let's see if we can get it out. There you go. There you go. I'll just leave this here. You can lick in there. Yeah, that's a good boy. We got it out for you. Thank you. Thank you. You're a big boy. And you're a good boy. But I don't think I need any more kitties. You belong to Cassie. Yeah. And she's got 3 little kids. Okay, you gotta move back because you're not coming in. Oh. Bye-bye. Go eat your food. He couldn't get his food out of that thing. I had to tap it. He was sticking his paw in there to get it out. I just gave him one of those that I was supposed to donate. I donated it to the neighbor. I bought $65 worth of cat food, and my cats didn't like it. And they liked most anything, but they did not like it, and they were wasted. So I wrote the manufacturer and said that they didn't like it. And they sent me a refund, and they told me to donate it. And I'm going to donate it, but I haven't yet. It's in here. Not this. This is good, but that other stuff. Oops. Yeah. The name brand they like, but they don't like that particular kind. And that was a lot of money. Okay, well, I think this is long, and I'm probably... What? Is your friend still out there? I think he got full. What? What do you want, huh? What? Tell me. What? You cannot go outside. No, you can't go outside. You're not an outside cat. There he is. He's right there. He's washing up. It's cold out there. You don't want to be out there. He wishes he was inside. with you. You're kind of a pretty little girl and he's a cute boy. You know how that goes. All right. Happy New Year. This is December 31st. I'm going to babysit my great-grandchild tonight with my daughter. And ring in the new year, come home. You boy, I am old. Bye-bye.